Avi Friedman to Hyderabad. Of course, as Mr. Srinivas said, it's been an initiative of the Israeli government, seeing the potential largely $6 billion business between both these countries. Even though the size of Israel being so small, I felt it was in the right direction. The government has taken a decision to open another consulate at Bangalore. Friedman, having thorough knowledge about business, he's a Bachelor of Business Administration from Israel. He's done his special international trade at World Trade Organization in Geneva, especially trade and international trade. And after that, he served several positions. Most recently was in Warsaw, Poland. Before that, in Argentina. He was also in South Africa. And then prior to that, he did special projects in Iran. So he's got a vast expertise in terms of handling trade and its growth. So it's happy that we have someone like him who has taken the charge in Bangalore. As I'd just like to take a further point of what Mr. Srinivas has said regarding the state, which politically today seems to be having two different opinions. One is Telangana, one is Hyderabad, one is Andhra Pradesh. Nevertheless, at this time, I believe this is the best opportunity to grow up in this challenge. Challenges today give us more opportunities. For example, there'll be a new run for new industries to come up in both the sides. People promise jobs in Telangana would have to create new opportunities. Same thing, new capital region in Seemandhra will start. All this will give a sort of opening, an opportunity to collaborate more closely with countries that give us good technology. We can base those things on new technologies. For example, there's been a vast promise politically that they will service huge lands in the agriculture side, both sides, this state and the other state. We can learn so much from Israel in terms of agriculture. In terms of security, I'm talking about civilian security. There seems to be so much of new opportunities that will emerge. We can take advantage of that. If we start making blueprints in these sectors, which I believe Israel is capable of very quickly getting into that mode of making things happen. Security, IT. When I say security, I'm talking about not defense. I'm talking about civilian security, homeland security. Information technology, cutting edge information technology. Today you have one of the best known companies in the world headquartered either in Bangalore or in Hyderabad. But from a service sector, getting into a manufacturing sector, I think we can easily marry technologies that are readily available in Israel to take the next step. Similarly, in other areas, in healthcare, they've got one of the most cutting edge technologies in terms of healthcare. We've got now, there'll be several opportunities for new hospitals opening up in both the states. So I think this is the right time that we have someone like Avi Friedman visit Hyderabad to give us an impetus that to draw plans of what the new sectors, there could be existing companies who are looking for diversification plans, etc. This would be a good opportunity to start interacting with them. And it's been really heartful that he said that he will try to make a visit every 2 months to Hyderabad, which will give us more time to spend with him and start looking at those deliverables. Having said that, I think more rightly it is for him to now start elaborating what his vision is, how he would like to carry on this relationship between the two, the country of Israel and the state of Andhra Pradesh, and of course we are talking Telangana together.